Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of how to change feedback on eBay, ensuring you have all the necessary details to manage your feedback effectively. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, understanding how to modify feedback can be incredibly useful in maintaining a good reputation on the platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your eBay account. You can log in using your existing credentials or continue with your Facebook, Google, or Apple account for convenience. If you haven't set up an account yet, it's straightforward. Just enter your full legal name, a valid email address, and create a secure password. Click on the Create button and follow the simple on-screen instructions to get started. For sellers, managing feedback is crucial. You can view all the feedback you've received or left for others in your feedback profile. It's important to note that once feedback is left, you cannot directly edit or delete it, unless you request a feedback revision from the other party involved. This means you'll need to ask the seller to send you a feedback revision request. However, you can enhance your initial feedback by adding extra comments through the Leave Follow-up Comment feature. This allows you to elaborate on your initial experience or update it with new information. If you're looking to add a follow-up comment, simply navigate to the Leave Feedback section. Here, you may need to wait a few days if your account is new. However, once your profile is active, click on Feedback Left for Others and choose Follow-up next to the relevant item number. Write your additional thoughts or updates in the follow-up comment box and select Leave Follow-up Comment to submit it. For buyers, the process is slightly different. Head over to My eBay and click on Purchases. If you need to revise feedback already given, you can contact the seller directly to request a feedback revision. The seller will send you a revision request, and once received, you have 10 days to make any changes. Simply accept the request in the email. And eBay will guide you through the steps to adjust your feedback rating and comment. Remember, once feedback is revised or removed, the original comments will no longer be visible on eBay. If you decide not to proceed with a revision, you can decline the request by selecting Decline Request in the email and providing your reason. If you prefer to keep your rationale private, choose I don't want to share my reason with the seller. In case you encounter any issues during this process, eBay offers a Help and Contact section where you can find more detailed information or assistance. The customer service team is always ready to help resolve any problems you might face while trying to change feedback on eBay. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to manage and change feedback on eBay. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in enhancing your eBay experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful guides. See you in the next one.